Ngwatanio ya Ulei Itongoewe ni Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nola wa DCP Rigathi Gachagua Nimatula Muti Utongoi wa Kenya Kwanza kwa Kila Meuweta Silikali ya Musumbi Ruto ta Yendee na Mivango ya Kuthoosya Imwe sia Kambuni Nene va Kenya tola wa Safaricom na Kenya Pipeline. Maine na kanisani wa Christ Dominion Kasarani musieni wa Iluvi Atongoi yani mathingilila ngaliko ya Ulei tayena ngwatanio kuovosya nthi ya Kenya kumana na Utongoi muthuku ula Meuweta ta wa kuthoosya mali ya Nene kuma ikulia Atongoi chama cha ODM kukwatana namo ngalikoni ino ya Ulei osea kimanzia na mauvo.
Atongoi ya ngaliko ya Ulei Atongoi ni Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka na ula wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni Meuweta kana Mivango wa Selekali wa kwenda kuthoosya imwe sia Kambuni va Kenya taula wa Safaricom ni uvathukanu na mawendi ma enenzi na Selekali ni ani woko ni enenzi na ikanisa bewa Mivango u.
Last night, ndugu kiongozi, I met lawyers from Mount Kenya South and we agreed are going to file a serious petition to stop the auctioning and the sale of Safaricom Kenya, because this is the one parastatal, and we know that as they try to sell this parastatal without public participation, which is a constitutional requirement, it is simply because somebody somewhere wants a cut.
The country is being sold every day. So we are in a space in our country where Ruto is selling everything that is working.
Yengi Atongoi ya ni mazia nimeozwania kwa pamwe Yiulu wa uteti wa ngaliko ya Ulei kaundini ya Ilobi usakwanini ukite.
To hold this country together with him and other colleagues in DAP, Democratic Action Party of Kenya. We even know that I don't know how strong Jubilee is in Nairobi, how ODM and Wiper patriotic. You saw our delegates congress and these friends came, and the truth of the matter is we have a presence as a political party.
Why I want to assure the people of Kenya that we in the united opposition are clear in our mind that we shall stay as one. At the right time, we'll give you one candidate to face William Ruto.
Atongoi ya manena ke kavindani kalame bikite uthaithine kanisani wa Christ Dominion Kasarani musieni wa Ilovi wala maendeana kuthingilila ulumu wa ngwatanio yo maikulia Atongoi Kyama cha ODM kwatana na ngalikoni ya Ulei.
Our history is there, and when our history serves us right, I think our colleagues who are going to sit together. As you may not know, we have Kuthoosya, who is one of us in official position, who is the chair of our coalition building exercise. And as we do this, we are looking at those models where if DCP is strong in Kasarani, for example, all right? And we think that Wiper is strong elsewhere, maybe in Roysambu, maybe some other place, all right? Because it depends on the candidates we are going to get. And all of them are joining this political party. We could decide to come up and we will see that as an option.
Tunataka the face of Kenya in Nairobi. Na hatutaki ODM iwachwe nje. And we are saying we are depending on the experience of Kalonzo Musyoka kupanga siasa ya Nairobi. Because he has a lot of experience. Si ndio? So wewe kiongozi, weka sisi yote pamoja. DCP tuko na wewe tayari. Hii watu ya ODM umewaunga mkono mwaka 15, tafuta hao. Hatutaki pia wawachwe nje. Because they are part of Kenya, si ndio? Lakini wakiamua kufuata Kasongo wapotee ni shauri yao.
Ngiri vote ya vilingi wa Mutongoi TV osea kimanzi.